What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a major cleaning, organizing this house. All right, every day I do clean, I really do, but the organization has gotten so out of control, like crazy, especially when I live with someone who just piles up stuff on top of each other and they're so misplaced, you know. It's like cables and papers don't belong together. But I give up. I'm just gonna do it because I like my house to be in order. I like the place where I live and stay and live and breathe to be clean. So I have to organize it. Otherwise, my OCD will go skyrocket. So we're gonna start with pantry, and here you go. I will take you guys step by step. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. You know, look at my face, so red. I just cooked, so that's why I'm like so red. Also, a link on the description below will be a link to my main channel will be in the description below, so I hope that you will subscribe to there too. And I will see you guys. I will be doing voiceover hopefully for the rest of the video. All right, I will show you guys the before and after. All right, see ya. This is the pantry. It's very small. It's very messy. I know. Excuse me. It's very bad. All right, it's very bad. But it's time to tackle it. First, we're going to take all these chips and put them there. They don't need to be there. So here it is. This is kind of organized. I gotta get rid of those and throw all that away. This is just some cleaning supplies. And that's just a snack. Snacks for my daughter. Snacks for me and my husband. Some cooking stuff. And these are baby towels. Yes. We don't really have a big pantry. I wish we did. Now let's get to the kitchen. It's a bad mess. So these are the cabinets. I already started getting the stuff out. That's where I keep all my spices. I kind of did this one already. I changed, put the pasta where I can reach it. That's just some snack. And I already fixed this one. This is all my teas, straws. and then the medication, and that I'm just gonna leave there. Glasses, cups, that stays the same. Now I just gotta get rid of all the stuff, food that I really don't need. Yeah, and then the fridge is next. But still cooking, so it's pretty mess. Well, I already did cook. It's kind of a bad mess. That remains the same. That's just plates. Kitchen is done, minus the fridge. I'm just tired. Fridge is another project. Oh, let's just turn this one down. So, it's done. At least the clutter up here is gone. I just left the oats because I'm trying to get more fiber in my diet. And ginger with lemon. Ginger tea with lemon. It's really been helping me, especially with my sinuses. Fruits there, I know the lemons and the apples don't really go together, but I gotta get it better. Fruit bowl. The wine is there since Christmas. I am not drinking, but just there. My husband is doing Herbalife. He just started about a week now, and he's doing good. So that's his shake thingy. I am in love how everything turned out. It's really, really good. It's all perfect. It's all perfectly done. The other utensils are so. Got some spaghetti left over, but overall the kitchen, cabinets and everything are done. I got this at IKEA, and then all of these are Dollar Tree. So, you know, I'm I am going to change it and get something different, you know, because it's a little bit crowded still. But Dollar Tree it is for now. Here's my my tops for the pots and pans and strainers. And I cleaned these as well on the bottom, dried them. That's it. Now I'm going to run a machine. So, got a situation there. Yes, I gotta fix that. But anyway, now I gotta fix this. And then, oh, and the pantry. Yes, you guys saw it. Pantry is all organized. Half of the stuff is gone. Now look at this stuff right here. This is the play area, playroom. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff from my daycare, which I am getting rid of all of them. I will update you on another video why. It's a lot of stuff. Today I was looking for some documents, so what I did, I just brought everything down. So another 2 hours here, but that's another video. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I am not done. I'm whispering because my daughter's sleeping. That's garbage. But I have to find a bag, put them. So about an hour. Still, it's too much. But it's all gonna be great when I finish it. Those 2 folders are my daughter's with all her kindergarten and church work. I mean, active church sheets, like coloring and all that stuff. You know, that's all garbage. Can you believe that? And I'm sure it's gonna be more. But see you guys till tomorrow. Made tostones for lunch. Still have 1 batch to go. Then I made this for me, my daughter. It's just a dish from my country. And I'm having grilled chicken with lettuce. And then I'm gonna put some, what is this? A salad. I forget the name of it. But instead of like tortilla wraps, it's gonna be lettuce. Yes, yes, yes. Healthy, baby. And my husband's is this with a salad. So his has chicken and cheese. Here's the fridge now. I'm getting rid of most of the stuff. It's just unorganized and stuffed in there. So let's get to it. Here's the progress. So we gotta go shopping tomorrow because I got rid of everything pretty much. Now I just have to clean that, throw all of this, put back all the veggies, whatever belongs. I dried up some of the stuff there. They go here for the yogurt. And so everything is clean. Yep. This will just stay like this. That's for the cheese. I don't think I'm gonna buy more. I really don't. So see you guys when it's all full. So this is it. I am done with the kitchen and the fridge and the pantry. It's almost midnight. I am drying these 2 racks and having my apple cider vinegar water I have every day, twice a day. Here's the fridge. I really did not record what we bought because I was tired and I got sick. So just showing you kind of empty fridge, but organized and clean. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like.